audio, from what I've been informed, is a very famous roller skating scene from the 70s. But it's the audio when you used to do it so well. I don't think let's cancel that, we don't need the audio. So it seems that roller skating...
It's Monday evening, mobile scaffolding back in place. We've had continuing northerlies and quite a lot of light rain today. I might see if I can put a cover over the area to help. We'll route the edges, sand it, double bias on the edges, maybe get some fairing compound on. We'll see how we go. Okay, well, bit of sand here, route the edge, then go back down to the mobile scaffolding below. It doesn't take long to remove paint and stuff with 36 grit on the angle grinder. Okay, round over bit on the router. I think it's probably all ended up on me actually. Well, a few minutes work down here. Let's get some paint off. Lumps levelled out. Right, 2 layers of double bias on everything and 4 layers on all the joints. Stronger than it was when it was built, I think. Not only is the truck the mobile scaffold, but it's also a workbench. We've still got very light rain around. I think we'll be fine because I used fast hardener, so it should already be starting to go off. I think we managed to find a reasonably fine window today. I need to have the shroud off the grease gun, just the tip into the hole. I've run out of hands, but inject enough to fill it, but don't overfill it. You might blow the seals out. Also grease in this wee hole here. We'll lubricate the internal spring in the hub. Also this wee hole under the set screw. You can see it's starting to come out down here. Right, prop back on. Now we need to do up the nut, which has got a square 1/2 inch head, so it's a 1/2 inch ratchet. Reasonably tight. And now do back up the set screws that lock the hub nut in place. Right, we're running out of hands. Let's see if I can show you what happens in reverse. So it rotates and then goes like this. Now the pitch in reverse is set, it's not adjustable. So here we go, forwards and into reverse. So these wee things here need to be free. I'll have to free them up. They've been clogged up with prop speed at the moment. the wee rollers. I have trouble with the rubber diaphragm coming loose, so anti-fouling paint under it, stick it up with tape, and lo and behold, it should be stuck there. Just like that. Both props are on. Second coat of anti-fouling, tape off. This is the port side, starboard side through there. Getting late, so we'll head home. Hopefully tomorrow we can get the filling and fairing started on the longeron. Just quick going over with the sanding pad and the angle grinder to knock off the high spots, and then we'll start fairing.
The former mayor of Pitcairn Island faces indecency charges.
And providing a framework for implementing ecosystem-based management across New Zealand's entire maritime zone.
Now, the sand, maybe we'll get an undercoat on. We'll see how we go. Initial touch with the high precision boat building tool. Let's knock the high bits off. Now the orbital sand. Good weather for painting. Well, it is raining, so the underside should be alright. The sides may be alright. The top doesn't matter, it'll get non-skid on it. This is the wettest side. Yeah, that'll be fine. Surely. Well, sanding dust and rain.
There is a chance he could get toppled, not an interest in a notoriously difficult to pole. As we saw last time, we'll turn our
Just about unadulterated excess. Wow. Move critter. Well, it seems to have survived the rain reasonably well. Bit of the sand. This is the worst side. It'll be fine. stuck on a wee vent under the hole to allow ventilation to keep the spray out. Sign of puppy.
It is difficult.
So we're gradually tidying up
It's not a fun conversation to have.
outside. I'm going to drill 10mm holes, plug it with thickened epoxy, then we can drill into that. I'll actually take all the mounts down along the longeron on this side and do it. Now go up the vents into the compartments under the back deck. That time for afternoon tea. Not quite so much in the truck as usual here, but we're tidying up. Still a little bit left. I'll wait till tomorrow for those. Stuart's filled up the water tank, so it's 500 litres. Good man, Stuart. Okay, I need to go up the mast to rescue the lazy jack.
Up there.
So it's past that set of stays to that set of intermediates. There's the helpers, and there's the epoxy bungs. I'll remount the tramp tomorrow. Our lacing rail is reinstalled, maybe not entirely lined up, but it'll do. Right, all relaced.
What?
Oh, my granddad says what? He's been busy cleaning the tray. Well, this is likely the last day for the truck, as its replacement's arriving next month. The tipper is going to go on the new one.
your nose. And then my tongue, I suppose I killed you too quickly the last time.